Hey guys, today is March the 26th. I am in Hilton Head, South Carolina. This is my new client, Anthony. His wife originally found me on YouTube. He owns a handyman home renovation service for 14 years out here in Hilton Head, and they renovated this condo and they had some issues with the floors. His employees tried to clean the floors numerous times and they could not get it clean. So what's your wife's name? Michelle found me on YouTube. She originally called me. She said, I want to have my husband call you. Anthony called me, sent me pictures, sent me videos. I gave him the price to correct the issue. He paid a deposit, and here we are today. So me and Anthony just walking the beach, fellowshipping. He said, Courtney, you might have to move here because I got so much more work for you.
That's right.
So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we're looking at right now. So as you guys know, I am a beach person myself, and this is what we are, man. We are on Hilton Head at the beach, and one of the condos that we are doing is actually back here. So you guys are going to see that. But let's show you, man. This is a great trip. It was like a 4.5 hour drive from where we came from in Georgia. And again, I like the road trips, and I also like to help clients out because it would have been probably 3 to 4 times the cost to replace that floor. And I love helping people out. So Anthony, I just want to say thank you again, man, for giving me the opportunity.
Handyman of Hilton Head. Courtney's #1 flooring. Like, that is #1. We are going to get him and his family here to Hilton Head. We've been here for 14 years, renewing homes and hearts in our community. We love this island. We love everything that God provides us, and I'm so happy to meet another brother in Christ, Courtney.
Thank you, Anthony. I appreciate that, man. So guys, we're about to head back to the condo, and you guys will see what we're working on today. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is March the 26th. We are out here in Hilton Head, South Carolina. This is actually my second time in this area within the last 2 years. The first time we did come out for a contractor, they just wanted, it was some pine floors, and I remember that job because they just wanted us to clean and abrade the floor for them, and they put down his own oil-based finish. But on this job right here, guys, this is another contractor that found me on YouTube. It was about a good 5-hour drive. So we left this morning about 5:30 in the morning. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, is another engineered floor. They got glue all over this floor. And he said, Courtney, we've tried everything to remove this glue and we cannot get it off. So he watched a lot of my videos that I've done and paid his deposit for me to come up here. And we're going to go ahead and take care of this project for him today. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day. Guys, so there's my van. There's Tavares down there about to start bringing up the equipment. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day out here. So these are condos, all right? Also, too, I had 3 in-home consultations that I did in the last week and 2, and I had 3 of them come through this morning. And I also had about 3 more new prospects come through. So April, I'm already booked out 2.5 weeks in April already. So we got this room right here. Zoom in. See all that glue, guys? See all that? And this floor actually reminds me of the one that I did in Columbia, South Carolina. This is a brand new floor. See all that glue? All right. Look at all this, guys. Look at all this. Look at all that. And what happened is a lot of times, the reason why I just go ahead and screen and recoat it, because a lot of times they'll clean it and it will etch the factory coating, and it would need to be screened anyways. See all that glue, guys? Look at all that. Look at all that. Look at all that. All right. And the client, the contractor said this is one of his clients' rental vacation properties. See right there, that's not glue. This is etching. See right there? That's what they scrubbed it so much they actually etched the factory coating all through here. And we're gonna get a light because they don't have any light in here. So we're gonna get a light and just aim it in here. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started and get these floors back restored. Gonna put down the matte RadCoat Finish, UV cure, and make another happy client. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah. From Georgia to the coast. Hilton Head, we in motion. Pulled up to the condo, brand new floors laid down, but the glue got them stuck, whole shine turned around. Contractors tried everything, still couldn't win. Cloudy finish, sticky mesh, damage sinking in. They were stressed, talking about replacement costs. Brand new engineer about to take a loss, but they found me on YouTube, saw the proof online. Said call Truman up, he the truth, no lie. Now I'm riding down the coast with the ocean breeze. Tools in the back, got solutions with ease. From Atlanta down to Hilton Head, saving floors, yeah, that's part of the plan. We don't replace it, we restore that shine. Truman on the beach, bringing flows back to life. Glue don't matter, yeah, we fix it right. UV cure, now they ready tonight. From the screen to the coat, watch it all transform. Matte RadCoat, yeah, the finish reborn. Hilton Head vibes, let the whole world see. Brand new floor, saved by Truman Head. Abrasive touch, yeah, we break that glue. Clean it up smooth, bring the grain back through. Engineered floor, gotta treat it just right. No sanding needed, just precision and light. RadCoat Matte, lay it down so clean. UV hit it, now it's cured on the scene. No downtime, they can move right in. Kids, pets, furniture, let the life begin, yeah. Feel that ocean air. Floors looking brand new everywhere.
Sun shining, waves rolling slow. Oh,
Truman got that glow. Truman on the beach, bringing flow back to life. Glue don't matter, yeah, we fix it right. UV cure, now they're ready tonight. From the screen to the coat, watch it all transform. Matte RadCoat, yeah, the finish reborn. Hilton Head vibes, let the whole world see. Brand new floor, saved by
Truman Head.
to your front door.
Truman Hardwood.
We restore.
All right, guys, got T doing the UV. He's already done all this. Me and Anthony took me to the beach and said, Courtney, we gotta do a video. So if you see that video before this, it was actually filmed after he came and looked at the work. And he said, Courtney, I have so much more work for you. He said, even if we don't have this issue, just needing floors screened and recoated, you would be my guy. So guys, that's gonna do it. So I'm gonna let T finish finish UV curing the floor, as you see he's doing. And Mr. Anthony said his the moving company is going to come back tomorrow, put the furniture back, and their client, because this is one of their, he was showing me some of the other rental properties too, around the area, and he said they're going to be back next month. And he said, Courtney, I promised them that I would take care of their floors for them, and that's what we did today, guys. All right, guys, so we'll be wrapping up in about, T probably got one more room to do, so about another 10 minutes. And we'll be heading back to Georgia tomorrow. We have a huge project in Sandy Springs and also 2 in-home consultations. So we'll see you tomorrow. Also have a ride along coming out. I think Jake is coming from Minnesota. And see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.